Hi everyone! Continuing with our Mac tutorial series for beginners, in this video, I'm going to share exactly how to open the Terminal app. First, the simplest and most popular way is using Spotlight. Just hit the keyboard shortcut Command-Space, then type in the word Terminal. You'll see Terminal appear as the top result. Double-click it and you'll launch the app. If you don't want to use Spotlight, you can access the folder containing Terminal directly. Terminal is located inside the Utilities folder within the Applications folder. If your Finder sidebar doesn't show the Applications folder, you can go to the top menu bar, click Go, then select Utilities, and you'll find Terminal right there. If you use Terminal frequently for work, you can drag the Terminal icon down to the dock. Now, whenever you need it, just click to open it up. I previously made a video on how to use Terminal for beginners, and I'll leave the link in the description below. Feel free to check it out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.